This is the free van from Volkswagen, or more to the point, on a Volkswagen. It really comes from Reimo. They're the people who do the catalogues. It's incorrectly named because it is not free. It costs 70,000 euros. And what you can do here, it comes with a bed, which as you can see here, is in the process of being put down over the chairs towards the rear. We've got, there's a demonstration, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And at the other end, we have...
I know him from Bad Kissingen.
I've been to Bad Kissingen, yeah. So we have the sink.
Sink with outside shower.
Outside shower.
Fridge.
Oh, it's an enormous fridge, that one. Oh, look at that. Yeah, you open ice cream store in this.
And some more storage.
And some more storage. And that's a very big unit. So let's have a look at the back. I bet there's something interesting there as well.
Of course, this here is something interesting.
So that actually is quite unusual, but look, there's quite a lot of storage down here as well as having the place for the table and the table leg. And this is from Reimo, who have a catalogue, and all of these parts can be bought in the Reimo catalogue. So you could put it in your own vehicle if you wanted to. So let's come around and have a look here. Or maybe you could see the door closing, because that always is good to end a video with. So, thank you for showing it.